Imagine your smartphone lagging, apps taking forever to load, and that dreaded spinning wheel of doom. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you that a few simple tweaks could transform your sluggish device into a speed demon? First, consider clearing your cache. Over time, temporary files accumulate and slow down performance. Next, uninstall those unused apps. They not only take up space but can also run background processes that drain resources. Don't forget about software updates. Manufacturers often release updates that optimize performance and fix bugs. And if you're really looking to boost speed, consider a factory reset. It wipes everything clean, giving your phone a fresh start. Finally, investing in a high-quality microSD card can enhance storage and speed for apps and media. With these steps, you can breathe new life into your smartphone, making it faster and more efficient than ever.